Hi friends, welcome to the cooking adventure at Spices and Aromas. I am Rovina. Today I have a special Manglorean recipe for you, crab curry. As Mangloreans, we are known for our distinctive combinations with seafood and vegetables and making our dishes more flavorful and rich. I got this fresh crabs from the market and encountered an interesting surprise which I want to share with you. So I got some blue crabs and the red crabs, and here there is a grandmother crab. So this was something interesting I heard for the first time. If you have heard about this, please do let me know in comments. So there was one crab which was soft and I thought it was spoiled, and I returned to the fisherwoman and she gave it back to me telling that this is not spoiled, it's a grandmother crab. In Tulu she told me Undu Ajji Jenji, which means grandmother crab. Then I just, because I check each and everything when I get the... In spite of being soft, this crab didn't have any unpleasant odor. I will try this in my curry and let you know. First, I will wash this crabs in 2 to 3 rounds of water and then get back to you.
Please check for the video of cleaning crabs in the description box. Watch my video till the end. Now let's quickly look into the ingredients. I have taken 1 cup of coconut. We don't add a lot of coconut to this curry. Next we'll see the whole spices. I have taken 1 tablespoon of coriander. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. Next I am taking a pinch of jeera, half lemon sized tamarind, a small piece of turmeric. You can also add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and finally the red chilies. You can see I use variety of red chilies in my cooking. So in this curry I will use 2 locally grown red chilies, or we call it short chilies, or in Konkani we say gaunchi mirsang, and 10 badgi chilies. Next, let's put all the ingredients together and grind it to a smooth paste. Next, I'll cook the crabs with prawns and Malabar spinach. As I mentioned earlier, we Mangloreans are popular for our seafood and vegetable combinations. I just added the masala water that I got after cleaning the mixie and some sliced ingredients, onions, ginger and garlic. Finally, I will add the Malabar spinach. Close the lid and cook until it is tender. 1 good boil is enough to cook the seafood and the veggies. Now let's add the ground masala paste to the boiled ingredients. If you are a Manglorean, I am sure you have tried different combinations with crab. Do let me know in comments about your experience. Please find the recipe link for the different types of combinations in seafood in the description box. You just have to cook it for 5 to 7 minutes after adding the masala. Here you can see the crab, the prawns are well cooked. I am just searching for that grandmother crab. I had cut it into 2 just for the identification. Delicious crab and Malabar spinach curry is ready to serve. I am not adding any kind of tempering to this dish. You can enjoy it just the way it is. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do share it with your friends.
I am going to try this delicious crab curry with Malabar spinach and prawns with boiled rice. Thank you friends for joining me in kitchen today. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking.